I'm beyond the fridge. I'm beyond life. Let's have Chinese takeaway, and we'll call it enough. It's me, it's your boy T, Triple T. I'm back again. I'm beyond the fridge, beyond life, and all that shit. So, I was supposed to do a spaghetti and meatballs mukbang tonight. That I was gonna make just a simple meal, but I forgot my groceries at my work in the cooler, in the fridge. So I was like, I need a backup, and I'm so tired of having. Oh, I dropped my fork. Chopsticks would have been nice. Luckily, I have a pair up here from Sushi. All right. So yeah, I was like, enough with the can't talk. Enough with the McBurgers and stuff. So I'm gonna go camping this week, and I'm gonna have burgers, and there we go. Look at that. So yeah. Very skimpy on the meat, huh? Barely anything. What a ripoff. Shit ton of noodles. And like 6 pieces. I fucking will tell ya. What is this? Well, at least I get some nutrition here. Now this combo actually comes with a wonton soup. Now I said this before last time, this is good, but it's not. It's not the best of the best, but it's still fine for what it is. There's another place that I've done a mukbang on before, which is... I need a spoon. Paul's Chinese restaurant. The one I should be doing a mukbang for is Garlic and Chili, which is a place I've been ordering from for years. They're so good. But I love their General Tso chicken. It is the best by far I've tried in Vancouver. But the quality of their dishes are usually spot on. That's nice. Oh my goodness. I really hope this is a better choice than, I don't know. Guys, I need to... They didn't give me plum sauce. Piece of shit. Piece of shit. Piece of shit. No plum sauce. Fuck's sakes. Fucking old cunt, no. I can't get over that. Yeah. I don't know why I ordered from this place again. Measly portion of meat. Measly. A mountain here of endless noodles, but very little meat. Yeah, this is like flavorless, this wonton soup. But yeah, guys, I need fiber. I'm not eating enough fiber. And I'm like, okay, what will give me fiber? Vegetables, fruits, maybe some all brand cereal, maybe some prunes, I can't get over this. They did me dirty. They did me dirty by giving me so much noodles and an unbalance of the rest of the food. Forgettable. Nothing is good anymore. Probably said this in the last video. This is just for some generic white people. Like I said, it's fine. Somebody will like this, but very plain. Well, sometimes it is good to try a place twice just to see if it's, but like I said, forgettable. Like this video, forgettable. So there you go. I'm gonna go relax. This video's already almost 10 minutes. And I can snack on this without feeling the pressure of, you know, the longer my videos are, the longer it takes to upload them. There we go. Like, come on, mama. They should have called this combo noodles with a bit of sweet and sour pork. Unacceptable. I'm not satisfied. Look, it's endless, guys. That's all I've been eating is noodle. I don't even know how they packed that many noodles in there, to be honest. It's endless. No more meat. Piece of shit. Piece of shit sideways, if I ever did say so. Okay, guys, thanks for watching another Beyond the Fridge daily mukbang. Catch me on the next one. Peace.